Making money online can be quite challenging. However, for those who are committed to earning a quick income from the comfort of their homes, this is the perfect place to explore. Our tips present various legitimate ways to generate a substantial income using the internet. These options provide weekly or even faster payments, ensuring a steady flow of income based on your efforts. If you ever find yourself in need of some extra money, you can refer to this video to discover at least Top 5 potential online jobs to meet your requirements. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate occupation where individuals act as intermediaries, promoting another company's products to a specific target audience. Importantly, it is not a form of multi-level marketing. There are several approaches to conducting affiliate marketing, including content reviews, product comparisons, endorsements, and product recommendations, among others. Through affiliate marketing, you have the opportunity to reach people who might be seeking solutions to their problems, but are not yet aware of the solutions you can offer. By helping them discover relevant products, you not only assist them, but also benefit yourself. Additionally, by being a trustworthy advisor and recommending quality products, you can establish a loyal customer base and increase your earnings over time. As a full-time affiliate marketer, it is possible to earn approximately $1,500,000 per year. This translates to $125,000 per month or $31,250 per week. 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is undeniably one of the most effective ways to achieve significant financial success as an e-commerce store owner. However, it is worth noting that it is not as straightforward as being a blogger or affiliate marketer. The dropshipping model allows you to sell products without needing to keep them in stock yourself. When a customer places an order, you can purchase the product from a third-party supplier like Alibaba, Doba, or Wholesale 2B, and have it delivered directly to the customer. The potential for earnings as a dropshipper is substantial, with the possibility of making $1 million or more. Your success will depend on your ability to build strong connections and drive sales. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't require specific coding skills to create your e-commerce store. Various user-friendly platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or Oberlo exist, enabling you to effortlessly design your website and start dropshipping without any complications. Shopify, in particular, stands out as an excellent choice for dropshipping as it streamlines the setup process, allowing you to add payment gateways and other technical features within minutes. 3. Drop servicing. Drop servicing follows a model similar to dropshipping but focuses on selling services instead of physical products. Although not as widely known, this business concept has been gaining attention since 2019 and is likely to witness more success stories in the future. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer operate on the blueprint of drop servicing. As a drop service store owner, you can receive clients' orders, outsource the required work to freelancers, and earn from the margin. Simply being the intermediary can help you quickly make $1,000 by being the initial point of contact for customers. The profitability of drop servicing has increased in 2020 due to the growing number of companies and individuals working online. There are no limitations on your earnings in this model, which means you have the potential to earn substantial amounts within a short span of time. 4. Get paid just for using website and application testing. Yes, it is indeed possible to get paid for using websites or apps by participating in testing jobs for tech companies. The demand for testers in this field is continuously growing. Testers can earn up to $40 to $100 per hour by evaluating the functionality and user-friendliness of various platforms, including websites, smartphone apps, and games, among others. Each testing session typically lasts about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have a couple of free hours, you can complete 8 to 12 sessions and earn a quick income. By increasing the number of hours you dedicate to testing, you can earn the amount you need from this type of job. Some of the companies that pay testers on a weekly basis include Try My UI, Analysia, Userfeel, and User Testing. Engaging in these testing opportunities can be a lucrative way to earn money while providing valuable feedback to improve digital products. 5. Selling stock photos. For skilled photographers, this job offers an excellent opportunity to showcase their creativity and make money doing what they love. The demand for online photos is consistently increasing, as businesses and individuals frequently seek images to enhance their work. Small business owners, bloggers, and marketers, in particular, often purchase licensed images from online platforms. You can sell your photos from the comfort of your home on various websites such as Shutterstock, Fotolia, Big Stock Photo, 123RF, and Dreamstime. When you sell your photos on these platforms, you receive a commission each time someone downloads or purchases your images. Some websites even offer payouts of $40 to $75 for a single photo. The amount of money you can earn will depend on the number of downloads your photos receive. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw your earnings from these websites, and in some cases, you can make withdrawals up to twice per week. This setup allows you to monetize your photography skills efficiently and earn income by selling your images online. I hope you explored this video of work from home jobs appealing, as they offer the potential to earn $10,000 or more in a week. Each job comes with its own earning limits, but working online as your own business owner provides greater opportunities to increase your income compared to being an employee working for a company. Opting to become an entrepreneur can be a wise decision for ensuring income stability in the long term. Running your own business allows you to leverage your skills and creativity, giving you the freedom to explore various avenues for financial growth and success. Thanks for watching.